Hey guys, enjoying a wonderful Sunday here. So I was thinking about something. I think I might hire somebody. Do you think you have what it takes to sit in that chair right there and interview with me? Just to get in the shop all straightened up today. Got me thinking. Now that I'm all set up here, all organized. Maybe I should have a young gentleman come sit in this chair and I can grill him on HVAC. What do you think? Anyway, I'll show you some of the stuff I did today. Show you around the shop. Guys, just a quick little seat and HVAC video today. I got the shop all kind of organized here. Best I could for the day. Still got some trash there. I gotta get out. I got the truck full of stuff too. But you can see I got my all my sheet metal parts all organized. I got my my Hvac all organized and all my big boxes thrown up there. You know, the round pipe's always a struggle to try to figure out how you're going to organize it. You know, line sets are always a problem too. I should make some hooks and racks and put them up, but I'm just not set up that way. Kind of all my small parts here. I'm kind of low on stock with stuff. I got some B-vent stuff there. But like I said, I'm in an electric company, so I don't do a lot of gas stuff, so I don't keep a lot of gas stuff. Got all my caulking there. I got some speedy boots back there, stuff for venting, bath fans there, some replacement Aprilaires, boots, Hvacs, etc. I mean, I got more round pipe than I need, so all my elbows and stuff there. I got my smaller elbows up there, of course. Most important tool, my golf clubs that are a little dustier than I would like. I try to keep my main floor clear, mainly so I can throw darts. Sorry about that, guys. I had to delete some video because, like usual, my phone is full. But I got some various beer signs in here. I got my patented Alien versus Predator playing chess poster. Got some beer posters there. Basic stuff there. My Quint from Jaws. Little poster there. I'm not gonna show you some of that other stuff that's down there. That's actually when me and my wife got married. Yes, it was very casual. Got my Ass Man. Got some of my Seinfeld stuff. This is all Seinfeld stuff here. That's a little wooden deal that my dad's neighbor makes. They gave me. But Ass Man. I got my FJB, my Let's Go Brandon. I don't care what your political beliefs are. You don't really have to care about mine. I'm just showing you. And then that awesome water jetted flag. And then over here, yep, have myself a cold. Yes, it's kind of a foofy drink, but that's just to get started today. We got kids' birthday parties. Got all my Hvac stuff up there. Beautiful Mitsubishi Hyperheat wall unit there. But I got my I don't know if you guys can see that. Why is that lighting so bad? I don't get it. Got more Hvac signs here. My Hulk sign. I got my no liberals allowed, no exceptions. I made that out of sheet metal, of course, just as a joke. What else? Oh, I got all my Speedy Channel stuff, so if I need to order something, I just give them the number and I can get it. What else do I got here? I'm not going to show you my daughter's pictures, but I got Jaws and Trump. You guys see that in the background. I do some of my videos. But yeah, oh, and the piece de resistance, my Donald Trump poster, or calendar with the cats. Yeah, you can laugh at me all you want. I don't really care. And I put this up today. John Stone gave me this the other day. It's a poster of all their sheet metal stuff, their Southwark metal. So I need to order something, I can just give them the number off the fitting, and they can find it for me. So just getting stuff organized and cleaned up today. You know, I like to keep everything nice and clear and open. And yeah, I got my table all cleared off so I can build sheet metal. Just a quick video, guys. Happy Sunday. We're heading off to a kid's birthday party in a little bit.